امریکی وزیرخارجہ مارکو روبیو نے کہا ہے کہ امید ہے حوثی باب المندب میں جہازوں پر حملے روک دیں گے۔ دعویٰ کیا کہ ایران نے حوثیوں کو دھوکا دیا۔ منیلا میں میڈیا سے گفتگو میں مارکو روبیو نے کہا کہ ایران معاہدے کے لیے منتیں کر رہا ہے، لیکن ایران واضح طور پر ڈیل کے لیے تیار نہیں۔ دھمکی دی کہ اگر ایران بحری جہازوں پر حملے کرے گا تو اسے بھاری قیمت چکانا پڑے گی۔ ایرانی وزیر خارجہ عباس عراقچی کو جواب دیتے ہوئے کہا کہ ٹرمپ کی پالیسی آنکھ کے بدلے سر ہے۔
That will de-escalate because I think the Houthis, frankly, got snookered into this thing by the Iranians, and they were smart to stay out of it, and they should stay out of it, and they should stop. But they now apparently have gotten themselves suckered into this, going after Saudi Arabia and their ships. I saw Arachi, their foreign minister, who the other day say or something about their policies, an eye for an eye. The president's policy is a head for an eye. I mean, honestly, that's what it's going to be. I mean, they will pay a very heavy price for the things they're doing. They're already paying a very heavy price. Okay, these people who are calling us every day begging, let's do a deal, they send us messages through other countries, third countries. I mean, they're running out of countries to send. Even I had countries here coming up to me, oh, I just spoke to the Iranians, they want to do a deal. The problem is, every time these people do a deal, they either break it or after they make it, they want to change the deal. So they're probably not ready to do a deal yet, but they will be.